Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Let's take a bath, splash and play. I need a toddler shower today. I need my toothbrush, toothpaste too, to make my smile shiny and new. I need my soap to wash away all of the dirt from my busy day. I need some shampoo for my hair, then a comb or brush with care. I need scrubs to clean my arms and legs, then a quick rinse to get squeaky clean and fresh instead. A soft cream makes my skin so smooth. A bathrobe wraps me cozy, tight and soothed. Last I'll dress in clothes so neat. Now my day is set to greet.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Bugs everywhere, creeping, crawling through the air. Ladybug spots red and black, tiny dots upon her back. Butterfly wings, colors so bright, fluttering by, a lovely sight. Bumblebee buzzing yellow and black, flying flowers to bring pollen back. Ants in a line, marching strong, working together all day long. Grasshopper jumps oh so high, leaping up to touch the sky. Caterpillar crawls slow and small, one day a butterfly she'll call. Dragonfly darting, zipping around, gliding gently, barely a sound. Fireflies glow in the evening light, blinking stars in the night so bright. Bugs, big and small, we love to watch you.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Garden fun. 1. Cauliflower's crunchy, white and green. Beetroot is sweet, with a red sheen.
Kale is curly, green delight. Chili's spicy, packs a bite.
Turnips round, purple and white. Bell peppers' colors are such a sight. Radish is crisp, red and bold. Eggplant's purple, a sight to hold. Garlic's tiny, packed with power. Ginger's spicy, makes dishes sour. Beans are green, long and lean. Pumpkin's orange like Halloween. In the garden, fresh and bright, veggies keep us healthy and light.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Stop, stop, stop at the red light. Now left, look right, then cross just right. Hold my hand when I walk outside. Safety first, stay safe with pride. Safe, safe, every day. We stay safe in a fun way. Listen, look, and follow rules. Panda Pogo says, be cool. Helmet on when we ride our bike. Strap it tight, yes, just right. Don't touch fire, don't play near the stove. Safety rules help us grow. Safe, safe, every day. We stay safe in a fun way. Listen, look, and follow rules. Panda Pogo says, be cool. Don't talk to strangers, stay close by. Call for help if you cry. Buckle up when in the car. Safety rules make us stars. Safe, safe, every day. Sing with Panda Pogo, hooray. Follow rules, be smart and bright. Safety rules keep us right. Safe, safe, every day. We stay safe in a fun way. Listen, look, and follow rules. Panda Pogo says, be cool.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Wake up, it's morning time. The sun is up, it's a beautiful Dino day. Wash your face, splash, splash, splash. Take a bath in a hurry dash. Put on your clothes, shoes so cool, all set to shine in Dino school. Wake up, it's morning time. The sun is up, it's shining fine. Get ready for school. Hooray, hooray! It's a beautiful Dino day. Eat your veggies, munch and chew. Healthy breakfast just for you. Grab your bag, your books, your hat. Wave goodbye, imagine that. School, we love to learn. Read and sing at every turn. Wake up, it's morning time. It's Dino school, hooray, it's prime. Egg time.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Prancing, the sun is shining, the sky so blue. The cat is singing, meow, how do you do? The cows are mooing, the sheep say baa. The birds are chirping from near and far. The bunny hops and the frogs go croak. A rainbow shines as the clouds evoke. The squirrels are running, the bees go buzz. With every step there's joy to share. It's a wonderful day, let's dance everywhere.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Busy bees buzzing in a hive. 9 graceful butterflies flutter in a line. 8 happy frogs jumping in the pond. 7 ducks swimming in a playful pond. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 6 giraffes stretching their necks up high. 5 cats with whiskers chasing a butterfly. 4 friendly elephants trumpeting loud. The clever octopuses swirling in a crowd. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 2 hopping rabbits, fluffy and quick. 1 reindeer with antlers looking so slick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.